Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you read the title, which I'm sure you did, you know that we're doing crochet passion twists. Today we're going to be using a braid pattern that gives you the illusion that you have them individually done. So I'm definitely here for that. You know, nobody wants the old school crochet look, so I was really excited to do this look. And just FYI, this is my beautiful mother whose hair I am doing today. For this braid pattern, for this braid pattern, basically you're just going to be doing boxes, and that's going to give you the illusion of the individual look. So as you can see, I did 2 on the side, and as I get over, there's more hair, so it's going to turn into 3 boxes. So I did 2 boxes on the sides, and all across the middle I did 3 boxes. And you're just adding each individual box together to create a cornrow. Okay, so after you get it done from one side to the other with the boxes, then you're going to start doing actual cornrows, and you're just going to use the guide of the boxes for your cornrow, if that makes sense. So you're just going to complete the rows going straight back. So we're all braided up, and this is the braid pattern. Today we're going to be using Lulu tresses, passion twist crochet, and these are the skinny ones.
Bullshit, ready to get it started. Bitch, I got this.
If any of the hairstylists is watching this, tell me if I'm the only one that hate when my client have to use the restroom or something. I hate stopping. I don't know why. I just be want to say, hold it. No, hold it. Right now, I'm just adding the crochets to the boxes. I'm going to show up close what I'm doing in a minute. So right now I'm just adding the crochets to the boxes, and I'm going to go back later and actually add crochets to like where the middle of the boxes are, if that makes sense. I just wanted to make sure, you know, we had enough hair, so I kind of just spreaded it out throughout the style, and then I went back and added the crochet where I saw fit to add it. So I did the front completely, so now I'm working on the back, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm spreading it out, leaving spaces. Like, I'm not like filling up the braids. For one, my mom didn't want it to be real thick, and I just want to make sure that we didn't run out of hair. So I'm just spreading it out and just going with the flow, and then I'll go back and add the crochet in as needed. Okay, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!